Hello students, this is Pinky Yadav from Surya School, Mahendragarh, and today students we will continue this topic. This topic is going on in our class. In last video lecture also I practiced or I explained some of the rules. We had practiced this rule in last video because these are the such words which seem to be plural but they take singular verb. In last video I have explained this rule, and today we will practice. I will explain this rule. Such nouns, I have written here some of the words here. If these words are used in a sentence as a subject, if these words are used as a subject in a sentence, they always take which type of verb? Listen, I have written here most, most of, some of, enough, enough of, lots, lots of, half, half of, plenty, plenty of. These words, if these words are used in sentence as a subject, verb must be agree with the subject. If there is uncountable noun after them, if there is, listen to me carefully, if there is uncountable noun after these words in a sentence, verb will be singular. Verb will be singular, and if there is uncountable countable noun after them in a sentence, verb must be plural. Clear? So this is also very important rule in which we have to practice, or we have to see most, most of, lot, lots of, enough, enough of, plenty, plenty of. These words you will find there, but if you find after them there is uncountable noun, so subject will be considered as a singular subject, and verb also will be there in singular form. If you find uncountable noun there, then verb will be singular. If you found countable noun there, countable noun after these words, verb will be in plural, right? So look some examples also I am giving here. Yes. Most students are laborious here. You have option EJMR, you have to fill here EJMR. Most students are laborious here. I have written here are. Why I have used here plural verb? Because most, and after that countable or uncountable noun? Countable noun. If there is countable noun after most or most of, countable noun, then verb will be plural. Clear? And if there is uncountable noun, then verb will be singular, right? Listen. One more example. Most of the apples fresh. Again you have EJMR. What will be there here? Subject. It is also countable. Most, after most there is countable noun. Countable noun है तो verb will be plural, are, right? Next example. Half of the land. Students can be counted, apples also can be counted, and land, it is not be counted. Land, it is uncountable, right? Half of the land, blank space, unfertile. So what will be there? Is mr. Half of the length is. Right? So all these words we have to practice, and if we find after them uncountable noun, verb will be singular. If we found countable noun, then verb will be plural. Clear? This is all for today.